Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Thuli Phongolo recently posted this video, where she was just performing and doing the dance. As we all know that she is a DJ now, and yay, people in the comment section came for her. People came for her saying that the BBL is not BBLing, the BBL is stiff, the BBL is not moving, And then some are complaining that she always dances the same style every day. They're like, this BBL is just so still, it's not doing anything, guys. And some were even saying that she had a beautiful body. Why did she do a BBL? Which is something that I have to agree with them. Like, she had a stunning body, But guess Anna, to each their own. If she felt like she needed the BBL, then why not, If she has the money to do the BBL, then why not? But people are just like, hey, this BBL, couldn't get off. It's shaped like a hexagon. Some are saying it's so stiff, it's not moving. Yo, guys, one thing about social media is so brutal, They don't care about your feelings, or they will just say what's on their mind. Hey, kuningi sha.